only 30 people in Africa are using this TikTok feature. Start using this TikTok feature and start making up to $2 million a month here on TikTok. Comment, like, follow for more. So you go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, you press this arrow for this very video that you're watching right now, then you tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, you're going to tap on add. When you tap on add, you're going to see different features, post templates, and live. So you tap on live. When you tap on live, you're going to see different features again, then you tap on subscription. When you tap on subscription, this is what you're going to see. You can make up to $2 million, right? It means that if you have about 24,000 subscribers, you can make at least $50,000 a month. But then if you have 0 subscribers, still you make $0 a month. So it all depends on the number of subscribers that you have. Get paid for your content, build communities, and also create a unique voice, right? So you need to tap on join subscription and you start to use this TikTok feature. And if you don't have this TikTok feature and you want to make money on TikTok, so just tap on the username. When you tap on the username, tap on this right here. It will take you straight to step-by-step tutorials on how you can make your first $1,000 a month here on TikTok.